Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dan Henry, and I'm the author of the Wall Street Journal and USA Today bestseller, Digital Millionaire Secrets: How I Built an 8-Figure Business by Selling My Knowledge Online. Now, if you would like to learn how to sell your advice online, that means online courses, coaching, consulting, masterminds, or even software, then you are in the right place. Every week, I film and release 2 new videos right from my office here in St. Pete, Florida, where I go over the biggest concepts, strategies, tactics, and techniques to growing an 8-figure information business. So if you're wondering, what type of offer can I create? Should I coach, do an online course, provide a service? Should I charge a lot? Should I charge a little? How do I sell it? How do I overcome people's objections? How do I take what I know in my brain and create a beautiful and profitable business from it? Then you are in the right place, and you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. Now, why would you want to listen to me? Well, number one, I'm a Wall Street Journal and USA Today best-selling author on the subject of selling digital products. I also won almost every single award in the marketing industry for selling digital products, including the 8-figure award from ClickFunnels. Now, on this channel, you're just not gonna find theory and just vague details. You're gonna get some amazing training, including behind the scenes of how I did $1 million day, including the tech stack I had, including what equipment I used to broadcast, do a live event, and sell 34 spots into a $30,000 mastermind. Yes, that's $1 million in a single day. As well, I cover my online course and membership software stack. I cover sales, overcoming objections. I cover Facebook ads, YouTube ads, mindset, and having the confidence to build the business you deserve to have. And it's all right here on this channel. So be sure to click the subscribe button so that you get notified when I release new videos, and I do so every single week. Remember, when you build an amazing business, it results in an amazing life. If it wasn't for this business, I would not have my dream home. I would not have my dream life, and I would not be able to spend so much time with my son, Bruce, who is absolutely the most important thing in my life. So whether you sell online courses, coaching, consulting, masterminds, software, or if you are any type of entrepreneur, the concepts, strategies, and mindset principles that I'll be covering on this channel will help you grow any type of business. So if you would like to learn how to grow your business from an 8-figure entrepreneur, then you are in the right spot. Click that subscribe button, and don't forget, I release new videos each and every week, and I do take requests. So don't forget to hit up the comment section if you'd like to see something specific from me. Talk soon.